Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's the Data Dude here, your go-to AI developer. Today, I am very excited to showcase a new application that I've just developed called Chat Files. This web app leverages cutting-edge AI technologies to allow you to ask questions about your document and get accurate answer instantly. So let's dive in. So what is Chat Files? Is a web app application built using Streamlit, OpenAI LLM, LangChain, and Chroma. It allows you to ask questions about your document and get answer immediately. You can upload document like PDF, TXT file, and doc file, and get answer, immediately. This combination allow you to set the chunk size and also the K value. So let's continue. I decided to build chat files because I saw a gap in the market, for a user-friendly application that combines document management with AI-powered question and answering. And also with the increasing volume of information that we handle daily, be it at work, or anything that we do, having a tool that can quickly extract and summarize, relevant data from documents that we uploaded is a game changer for web professionals and students alike. So let's take a look at the code behind chat files. So here we started by importing the necessary libraries that are needed, and also the first function that I developed here is the load document function, which enable you to upload any file, and also it will identify the extension of each file, either PDF, either doc or TXT file. And if you uploaded any file outside of this extension, it will tell you that the document format is not supported. So the next one is to chunk the data. Yeah, so what we mean by chunking data is enable to split the document into smaller chunks for efficient processing. And also this ensure that the large language models can handle large documents effectively. The next function developed is the create embeddings. Creating embedding for each chunk, is handled by the create embedding function using OpenAI embeddings. So this allows the application to understand and retrieve relevant information from the documents, based on our query, based on your queries. So the next function is the ask and get answer, which is the core feature of chat file. So what it does is that it uses two libraries from LangChain, Retriever QA, and also Chat OpenAI. So what it does is that fetch mode relevant, answer to your questions, to my questions, to the query. You get. So let me show you how chat files work in the reality. Yeah, so here is the sidebar. So we can see where we can paste our OpenAI key, just like password, and also where we can, browse the file that we want to add, and where we can, select or input the chunk size and the key value that we have. So here, we'll add a file. Okay, yeah. As you can see, and let me set this to 512, and let me set this to 5 and 3. Yeah. So let me add file. As you can see, it's spinning and reading, chunking, and embedding the file. So let's see what will happen next. We can see the number of chunks, the chunk size, the total tokens, and the total cost displayed here. As you can see here, it's not even up to 10, so it's very small. And also here we can see it a successful message, file uploaded, chunk, and embedded successfully. So let's try question our application to see what answer it will give us. So the report of OpenAI indicate that it's impossible to detect all AI writing text reliably. While general detectors' performance may, make them unusable, there has been more attention given to using an detectors trained on specific context, which shows better results. So yeah, now I don't really know much about the document, but let me say summarize the content Mm. So yeah, the content seems to involve resolving specialization through adjacent word, getting sanity check from LLM experts, interpreting trends in computer science publication, and performing qualitative, forecast using DeFi method. The book is a collaborative effort by over 30 experts working on LLM development from this particular date. So another thing I want to, picture out is okay. I want to ask question about another document, but I don't want to maintain the same, history because the app can reference to what we have been discussing so far. Because so if I am questioning about what we have been discussing so far, you'll be able to reference to that. But I don't want that. So what I will just do is that we load a new file. Let me load this. And once I change anything here, it will adjust it to clear the history automatically. Clear this to, let me change this to 5. So as you can see here, the history has gone. So let me add new data. So we are waiting for the successful message. And, number of chunks, the chunk size, and the number of tokens and the cost are displayed here too. So as you can see, it has been successfully uploaded, chunked, and embedded. So let's ask question. Okay, where should we fight? So we should fight on the beaches, on the land, on the landing grounds, in the field, the street, and in the hills. So this extracted, this answer from this file. You get. So the essence of the large language model is to enable, the answer to be in a natural language, format that a human being will be able to understand very well. So let's ask another question. Um, what who is the king mentioned? And another thing is that if you ask anything outside, the content of the document that you uploaded, it will give you that he does not have access, to the document or to the answer that you want. So I'm sorry, but there's no mention of a king in the provided content. So if you have more information on the content, please provide. Can you see now? So here is just a basic example of how chart files works. So you can upload as much documents as you like. So you can see the history here. So anything that you engage with the with the app, it will be listed here as history, and the AI will be able to reference to history. So we can see that building this application was a fantastic learning experience for me personally because I used Streamlit to create a web application, and also the combination of LangChain, OpenAI LLM, and Chroma, for language models. And this combination makes chat files robust and user friendly. So in today's world, always say this that AI changing the tech world already. So acquiring AI skill is no longer optional; it is necessary. Yes, because AI is transforming the industry, creating new jobs, opportunity, and also enhancing, our productivities. So by learning how to develop AI application like this one, you can, stay ahead of the curve and also bring innovative ideas, innovative solutions to the real world problems. So if you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you will stay updated with the latest in the AI development tips and tutorials like this. Plus, you will be the first to know about any new, projects, like chat files. And also, I encourage us to build a community of tech enthusiasts together and to make us ready to make a difference. And also, if you want to join my community, I have a free community called the data.org. Use the link, in my bio to join. It's free. Trust me, you have a lot of, access to free resources and free mentorship. So thank you very much. Bye bye. I will see you in the next video.